The KONIX 88-key folding piano is incredibly portable, folding a full 180 degrees and fitting easily into its travel tote bag, making it perfect for musicians on the go. This electric piano features full-size, semi-weighted keys that mimic the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a rich and delicate musical experience. With its built-in Bluetooth capabilities, this keyboard can connect wirelessly to various piano apps and online lessons, enhancing the learning experience. The keyboard is versatile, offering 128 types of tones and rhythms, along with numerous functions such as dual keyboards and teaching mode, ideal for beginners. A built-in rechargeable lithium battery ensures you can play anywhere without worrying about power, offering 6 to 8 hours of playtime per charge. KONIX's folding piano keyboard is a well-rounded instrument, combining portability, functionality, and a realistic playing experience in a sleek design.